Top 3 AI use cases for fashion marketing campaigns. If you're a clothing brand owner or a marketing specialist in fashion, you'll learn how to implement AI in your workflow. So let's get started. The first and most obvious way to use AI is to generate fashion campaigns with real products. It can be carousels, stories, or short videos. Now, look at some of our reels with concept runways of famous fashion brands. This replaces expensive photo shoots, hiring models, and makeup specialists. What used to cost $20,000 just 5 years ago can now be created in a few hours. Today, SMM specialists are becoming AI fashion photographers. But here's the problem. You might say AI creates beautiful images, but the products are random. At the beginning of the AI era, that was true. But today, this problem is solved. On screen, you see the real photo of a Dolce & Gabbana dress. We created an AI avatar in MidJourney with the same dress. Moreover, we create a close-up view for the dress details because in this collection, designers paid attention to the jewelry. After that, we animated all images in Kling and edited a video in CapCut. So, how to add a real product into your AI images? In our case, we used a new MidJourney feature called Omni References. It lets you implement your product almost unchanged. Here is the prompt and image that we used as an Omni reference. The strength is set to 350. You can try different settings, but from our experience, Omni strength should be from 300 to 400. If higher, the result could be unpredictable. Here are the images we got. Not perfect, but already usable for social media campaigns. Okay, let's move to the second use case. This one is about virtual try-on inside Instagram DMs. Yes, directly inside a brand's DMs. If you're an SMM specialist creating content for fashion companies, you can build a whole new sales funnel for clothing brands. Here's how it works with our Dolce & Gabbana concept reel. The viewer sees the dress, and at the end of the video, we offer a virtual try-on. The user leaves a comment with the word try-on, and in a few seconds, Apiway's AI agent DMs with a link to buy the dress and an option to upload a photo for AI try-on. The customer uploads one photo, and in a few seconds, AI dresses them in the Dolce & Gabbana outfit. Here are some results that random people got after trying on this Dolce & Gabbana dress. You can find the link in the description of this reel and try it yourself. We believe this could replace static Shopify sales pages with interactive funnels. Also, the user can easily share this AI try-on with their friends, or even better, repost it into their stories and mention your brand. Today, it is still the wow effect, but in a few years, it will be the average part of any brand's sales funnel. Now, let's talk about the third use case, building your own army of AI influencers. Not just one, an entire army. Before AI, brands had main accounts and hired influencers. Now, brands can create their own pocket influencers who promote products forever and for free. For example, me. I'm still not perfect, a little plastic, my tone of voice is not super emotional, but you're still watching. So how do you create your own AI influencer? Use Pinterest to make a mood board in MidJourney with faces you like. Use ChatGPT to write prompts. Actually, this is a secret trick. Nobody really types a prompt for themselves. You just need to upload an image in ChatGPT and say, create a prompt for MidJourney to generate the same image. And only after that, make some edits. Next, choose an image you like and refine it with Omni References. Generate lots of images with a face of your future AI influencers. Use 11 Labs, especially version 3, to generate voice with emotions. And finally, use HeyGen to create a talking avatar like me. Over time, your AI influencer improves and becomes a powerful marketing asset. Also, you can use virtual try-on in Instagram not only in your brand's DMs. You can do it with your AI influencers. Influencers run a campaign, provide a virtual try-on in DMs, and after that, send a link for a brand. It will drive more engagement for influencers. So I hope you liked this video. If it gave you ideas, hit like and subscribe. And don't forget, you can try the Dolce & Gabbana demo in our Instagram reel right now. Link in the description.